From Dylan 8772. Why doesn't my espresso extract? It seems like you might be facing issues with over-extracted coffee or a clogged group head end. Portafilter. Possible reasons include using a grind that is too fine, using too much coffee, applying excessive tamping pressure, and allowing the shot time to exceed 35 seconds. To avoid clogging, make sure to clean the group head and portafilter head regularly. Preheat them before extraction, select a coarser grind size, and use 191 grams of coffee grounds for extraction. Prior to tamping, ensure the coffee grounds are evenly distributed to promote optimal water and coffee contact for a flawless extraction. May you overcome these issues with the provided suggestions and enjoy the pleasure of creating delicious espresso.